what I don't like. I don't like the buttons. The brindle buttons down here. I told Katie, her Ginger, that yesterday. She said, Prindle? I said, yeah. Park, reverse, neutral drive, Prindle, and low, Prindle. And she went, oh my God. Have you ever heard that? The blonde girl. Mom, something's wrong with the Prindle. Asshole. Anyways.
I want to apologize for what you all just heard. I want to say I'm sorry to you and all the pygmies in Guyana. On our scrap bingo card, finding scrap on the freebie alert, we can mark that one off. Yeah. I hate it when they sit them in the grass, man.
Yeah, they get stuck with their feet.
That thing, yeah. There you go.
It's the only thing.
Well, see a couple crutches there. That's a cute little table. Might be something else down there. I don't know. It's a big ass pot. I know that. Well, yeah. Everywhere I go, you all keep showing up, and it's just awesome.
Hey, there's your ladder.
Do you need any preen weed preventer?
Is it still got stuff in it?
This is full.
Oh, here they go.
And this is full.
An iRobot. Yes.
How much?
I'll take both of them.
No, how much? We ain't taking them. You got to pay for them.
Robot works.
Okay. Jesus. Thing's huge. Yeah.
Did you go through this?
Not very well.
You already looked at these?
Some of them.
You want these?
No.
I'd say this is about to clean out.
It is. It was.
Are those metal? Or are those plastic?
You just bent them when you touched them. Hey now.
Check the bottom of them.
sometimes you feel like a nut, and sometimes you realize you're living with one. What's that? What's that?
It'd be a couple very small pieces of, I think, aluminum. That's only a one glover. Stop filming my ass.
I wasn't trying to film. It's hard to miss it. I was trying to see the trash can, then I got blotted out by the sun just then, or the moon. Didn't even look in the Herbie Kirby, did you?
No, you want to back up and I will?
No, I'd rather you do that while we're there.
I should have.
It doesn't require me having to... See that squirrel? See that squirrel?
Oh.
And the one that's underneath of it he's trying to get, that's what they're doing. They're fighting. That one's down there going, you gotta come down sometime, mother.
Oh, that's what we've been reduced to. Squirrel fights.
I'm at my usually successful honey hole, and there's no honey. Just some wires that she's cutting. But yeah, not much happening. But it's not that big apartment complex, and how many washer and dryers can they go through? You know, got a little handful of wire right there though. She's kind of looking through a dumpster.
You see a cord, I don't think. There's something down that trash can in there.
I stopped here first. I thought that was some kind of appliance.
Yeah, it is, just not all we take.
Well, that white thing I'll take.
What is it?
Humidifier. A lot of copper in those things.
You open them up?
Usually has tails on them. I think it's gonna require me coming out and looking. Because you'll find stuff just laying there.
The cord's hanging out, tantalizing. Ew. I want it up here.
Down there. What the hell?
Oh, that's just nasty. I think that's...
Don't care what it is. It's a cord.
over here yet.
That ain't snow. Probably cat litter. Something electrical. No. Okay. Oh, shut up. Looks like my future prospects. It's fucking empty here. Except for that washing machine down there. No, it's actually one that's fixing to go away. That's how I look at it anyway. Might have to make a little room.
The clippers. Guess I'll pour it on. Guess that was a hose.
Let's block a driveway for a moment. That's a small one too, man. Oh, want you to stay up there. That. These things are starting to piss me off. I think right there. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. I think so. Trying to block it.
Hold it. All right. All right. A fridge with no cord, no grill. Could be taking that. I'm definitely gonna start checking these little motels out. They can be the actually find some stuff.
Formation granted a second life. Engine back to throw. Fires down.
Damn, it was loud. Looks like plastic. Sounds like plastic.
There's a lot of cat lovers in here, I think.
Sure that was metal?
Huh? It was metal and plastic, both.
Hey, work that back and forth.
Hmm?
You work that back and forth, it'll come out. Just gonna leave it laying like that.
Do you want me to set it up?
Yeah. No, I figured you was all about kindness and good and all that crap. This will piss her off. This is my feeling on that. You're out scrapping. You're constantly, on the run. Don't have time to stop. Go to Aldi's and eat healthy. What do you think? Would you like a grape?
No, thank you.
What would it take for you to eat this grape?
If you will give me $50, I will eat that grape.
Done. Eat the grape.
Give me the $50 first.
There's the grape.
Give me the $50.
Sorry. I fell for that once during sex. Tell you one thing. These are some damn flavorful grapes.
And if I was going to, I'd sure be washing them first.
They're grapes.
Yeah.
All we're gonna do is rub them.
I would have taken the chance for $50, but yeah, other than that. And I don't need the $50. I don't even care about the $50.
She does care about which they're prime example of what I've been saying all along. You know, when you open that bone, that skeleton hits you in the head from her closet, that's what I'm talking about right there, people. I don't even care about the money, but I'll take it.
Yeah, now I'm gonna find a red kettle.
Liar! Liar!
I already deposited it
Tell
into
me
the
the
red
last
kettle
time
today.
you put $50 in that guy's kettle.
I didn't do 50. I didn't. No, it was like under 5, I believe. I took a bunch of ones I had. I give every year, and every time I see them, I give.
You just said 50. We're gonna go find that fat sumbitch.
If you have
and you're
50,
gonna get $50 out of your purse. And put this
no,
kettle.
I was gonna put your 50 in there. That's a whole other kettle. Whole other kettle of fish.
So you're generous as long as it's not your money.
No, I wouldn't call myself generous, but I do give.
Not $50, you don't.
Now that level is your money. The lower level is my money.
This is what I'm talking about.
But I do give every year.
I'm eating out of an Aldi
I
dumpster, and
probably
she's
give
fantasizing about
30
fooling people.
every year.
Oh, you liar!
I do, because I give every time I see a kettle.
And how you know that adds up to 30?
I said I'm thinking an average.
Oh.
A season. Because they're at Kroger's and Walmart.
And you
Last
give
one was Walmart, I think.
a good
No, it was Kroger.
30, 40 cents
Kroger
every
in
time you hit
Indiana.
one?
No, I give them, if I have dollar bills, I give them dollar
Well, if you don't.
bills. I'll put change in there.
What if you got 5s?
It's probably scrap for cash change. Come to think of it. Most of the change I have is the scrap for cash
So what you're
change.
saying? Scrap for Cash Army. I had a GoPro malfunction. Well, I had a battery die. And it always dies at the wrong absolute time for it to die. Because what you've seen so far is I pick up a little bit here and a little bit there, but not a whole lot out. Until we're coming back, and there's a bank that has been shut down, and somebody bought that property. But when I drove by there, I saw a big dumpster out back behind that bank. So I'm assuming they're doing some kind of remodeling in there. And they were. You see these heat ducts, that's where those come from. And these pipes, the reason I took them is because they got wire in them. And I went, you know, ooh, wire. And the front of the dumpster was open where you could actually walk in. I walked in, looked around, and grabbed this stuff, what I could. Then I decided to walk around to the front of the dumpster and just kind of look in the front, because you can't see it. You can't see the front from the back where the door's open because there's too much stuff in there. And when I peered down inside the dumpster, it was like, oh, something that actually would make my day. So, not the Christmas lights. This stuff found elsewhere. I've got this, which is all, in case anybody's wondering, good wire. Might have to go through some of this. See, that's coax. I think that can't tell because I can't see.
If it just has one single one in the middle.
Normally that's coax.
Okay.
If it looks like that.
Yes.
Yeah. So some of this I'm going to have to go through and get coax out. But the bulk of this, yeah, it's not coax. See, you bend and it stays bent. But look at that mess. I ain't lying. Because this is probably easiest. hit the tailgate.
Why?
I don't think you understand the premise of this whole. Come on back, boom! Stop, it's good!
I shook my head like a second ago.
You're lucky there's some trunk between us right now.
You know, honey,
Oh!
okay, I'll just let it be. I think you've punished yourself enough. Do I need to cut the wire right here? Ooh, watch it don't hit the Camaro.
Wire. Am I blocking everything here? Just waiting for that camera to fall. So ain't nothing holding it.
I'm guessing we're starting with the washer. And then we're putting all this in the washer. And there's that.
Somebody cut the cord off of it.
No, it's still on there.
It's part of the cable.
Yeah, no, it's wrapped around the base. The base is metal, but the this might be brass. Not a bad looking lamp, honestly. Well, what?
Did you stick a magnet to it?
No. I saved the good stuff for you.
Well, Scrap for Cash Army. That brings it into our broadcast day for Sunday. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It turned out kind of slow and then became something pretty good. And yeah. Have yourself a wonderful evening. Hope you're having happy holiday season. And don't forget, Santa Claus is coming. See y'all.
Asshole.